Right, the video you're about to see is only about 4 minutes long. It's a remix of the video that we used to show up at the flight sim at Coningsby as the intro to the ejection seat lecture. Yeah, it's footage of pilots being pilots, basically. I've remixed it because there was a music track on it which would have got me a copyright strike. So I've rejigged it and it's all there. The only thing, if you're a little sensitive, because I know some people are easily upset these days, towards the end of the video there are some quite shocking scenes of aircraft crashing into the ground. It's highlighted where the crews managed to get out. I would imagine not all of them did, but anyway. So without further ado, like I say, it's only just over about 4 minutes long. So if you came through the flight sim at Coningsby in the 2000s or before, then yes, you'd have seen this one. So yeah, so enjoy yourself. Ta-ta for now. Oh, I'll just add this. This is not my video. I've just remixed it. Okay, just in case anyone has a go. So there you go. Enjoy it. Don't forget, if you like it, drop me a line. Yeah, all the good stuff. Ta-da then. See you later. Bye.
Dat ze toch allemaal gestellig aan de kant gaan doen.
Wake me up when September ends.
T6 NL. T6 NL. Okay. Around the horn, restart. Yeah, not done. Yeah, not done. Let's try to get a relay going. Okay. Get her from the front. Alright, I'll fly the plane. Okay. Okay, engine stop. Stop. Okay, okay, you cool? Let's see the engine. T6 NL. I'm ready. Okay. And Mike and 2 were ejected to the north. We have an engine failure. Okay, prepare to abandon aircraft. Eject. Mike and 2, copy your break out to the north.